Hey guys, okay, so we're gonna learn how to make realistic gravity. Now, all I did here was take a little sprite here. Hold up, delete this. I just took a triangle here, gave it some eyes for a character, and a background, a ground for it to land on. Excellent. Okay, so in order for this to work here, we need to make sure that we put when green flag clicked always and a forever block. We also need an if else. Basically, if you never used an if else before, all it does is if this is true, do this. Okay, so we're gonna say if whatever's in here is true, do this. What's in here? Otherwise, if it's not true, then do what's inside of here. That's basically what's happening. Okay, so we need to make a variable. First of all, I already made a variable. All you have to do is make a variable. Choose for this sprite only. So make sure you always push that. And I just named my my variable gravity. That's really it. So just say by default we want to make sure we put set gravity to 0. That's very important. We'll show you why in a minute. I'm going to say if not, I'm going to say put in not right there. If not, I'm going to sensing category and say if not touching ground. Oh yeah, I'm inside the wrong sprite. Let's just go this way. So, if not touching ground, not edge, if not touching ground, change, that's very important, we're going to put change gravity by 1. Actually, you don't want to put change gravity by 1. I will show you in a second. But, basically, else, set gravity to 0. Okay? Now, I'm going to show you it's not going to work. Wait, actually, I want this little sprite. Oh, actually, it kind of is working, but I just want to make sure that when green flag is clicked, set Y position to, or go to, just wanted to go to 0x and 0y. So that way, it always goes to that little position right there. Actually, I wanted to go a little bit higher. I wanted to go to 200y. Excellent. Now it starts way up there. Now watch. It actually is going to work, but it's not going to fall. See? It's increasing because it's not touching the ground, and whenever it is touching the ground, it goes to 0. So that's actually working. But it's just that it's not working because all the computer knows is to change gravity, change the variable right here by -1 every couple milliseconds. But it's doing that, but we haven't told it what to do whenever it changes gravity. We haven't told it to act upon this sprite as well. The way to make it do that is go over to the motions category and put change Y by. That's very important. Not set Y to. I'm going to show you in a second. To gravity. Now watch. What's the bug here? Change Y by gravity. What's going on here? It's increasing, but it's not increasing. Oh yeah, I figured it out. The reason why is because this. I'm going to make it go over here. I told you it wasn't going to work. The reason why is because it's changing gravity by 1. It's actually going up. I'm going to show you guys so you can really see it. I'm going to set Y to 100 instead of 200. So we're going to watch this. I'm going to change gravity by 1. Watch. See? It goes up instead of down. Why? Because we're changing gravity by 1. If we want it to go down, it's got to change by -1. Watch this. Yes! We made it fall. Now, I'm going to show you what would happen if you put set Y by gravity. And this happens. fall slower, and it does that. We don't want that. So make sure you always put change y by gravity. Very important. We're also going to add a bonus and make this thing jump, okay? So we're just going to put if key pressed. We're going to go to sensing and say key pressed space, set gravity. Make sure you put set to 12. And we put it right here. Now watch. We made it jump. Yay! Now you see it looks really realistic. Great. You just made your very first gravity in Scratch. Congratulations.